Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discussing about C# statements. This is the introduction lecture about this section. Let's begin. We are going to learn statements and sequences of statement of code lines how we are going to writing in C# with the help of if, else and using the condition operators and statements. The statements will help on how to step into route, which way we want to go, like whether if it is true, we will the block of code to be execute. If it is false, which block the code of to be execute. This way the program will go. And using if else statements, we'll write these things. Switch case statements. What is the statement we want to use? Basic about to switch case and how we are going to switching our program at what line we want to run without disturbing and without entering into all the program. And anyhow you will be assessments, solutions and question and answers will be there. At final conclusion you will be seen at summary. I hope you will enjoy a lot by making the conditions of if else on real world scenarios. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.